Today, I'm putting this magnetic phone cooler to the test. Can it really freeze my phone in just 15 seconds? Let's find out. This tiny gadget claims to drop your phone's temperature dramatically in just 15 seconds. I've seen some coolers in my time, but this one sounds too good to be true. It's magnetic, which means it should stick easily to the back of my phone. We've all been there. Your phone starts to overheat when you're gaming, watching videos, or just using it on a hot day. It's frustrating when your device slows down or shuts down because it's too hot. I've had my fair share of overheating issues, especially during long gaming sessions. Smartphones are designed to handle high performance, but sometimes they just can't keep up. When your phone gets too hot, it can affect battery life, performance, and even cause damage. You might have noticed your phone slowing down or displaying a warning message when it's too hot. Overheating can happen for a variety of reasons. Maybe you're in a hot car, or you're using a resource-intensive app. Whatever the reason, it's annoying and can ruin your experience. That's where cooling solutions come in, but do they really work? Most cooling solutions are either big and bulky or require a lot of setup. That's why I was intrigued by this magnetic phone cooler. It seems simple and effective. This magnetic phone cooler is designed to be compact and easy to use. It attaches to the back of your phone with a strong magnetic base, and it's supposed to cool down your device quickly. The idea is that it will help keep your phone at a safe temperature, preventing overheating and performance issues. The cooler itself is small and lightweight, making it easy to carry around. It's also pretty simple to attach and detach from your phone. I like that it's designed to be universal, so it should work with most phones. So, let's see if it actually works. I'm going to attach it to my phone and run a stress test to see how well it performs. I'll be using a thermal camera to monitor the temperature drop. As you can see, my phone's temperature is pretty high right now. I'm going to attach the cooler and see what happens. Okay, it's attached. And wow, the temperature is already starting to drop. The temperature is still dropping, and it's now 5 degrees lower than it was before. That's impressive. Let's give it the full 15 seconds and see where we're at. Alright, 15 seconds are up. My phone's temperature has dropped significantly. I'm talking about a good 10-degree difference. That's crazy. This magnetic phone cooler really delivers. If you're tired of dealing with an overheating phone, this might be the solution you've been looking for. It's easy to use, compact, and seems to work well. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and share your experiences with phone cooling solutions in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews and gadget tests. Magnetic phone cooler, phone, pad cooler, phone radiator with liquid cooling, freeze in 15s, noiseless cooling, for phone/tablet/pad. Product dimensions 2.24L x 0.4 inches wide by 2.24 inches high. Brand value Eagle. Power connector type 2 pin. Voltage 12 volts. Wattage 48 watts. Cooling method water. Compatible devices pad, tablet, iPhone, Android. Noise level 21 decibels. Material semiconductor, acrylonitrile butadiene styrene. Maximum rotational speed 9,200 rad per second. Advanced cooling technology, employing the latest liquid-cooled circulation and semiconductor heatsink technology, this cooler instantly drops your device's temperature, enabling optimal operation for maximized performance, preventing lag, unexpected shutdowns, and extending device lifespan. 3 adjustable temperature modes, powered by a dual-core chip, cater to diverse cooling needs. Snowflake emoji, 2. Extensive cooling coverage, experience rapid temperature reduction, reaching a maximum drop of 45 degrees Celsius within 3 seconds under no-load conditions. The cooling range covers 98.5% of your phone's surface. It tightly adheres to the CPU heating zone, effectively controlling temperature without harming the device. Powerful refrigeration ensures continuous cooling, regardless of how long you engage in gaming, video viewing, vlogging, or live streaming. Snowflake emoji, 3. Whisper quiet operation. The host port utilizes a magnetic levitation brushless motor, producing a sound level as low as 21 decibels. Unlike conventional noisy fan-based phone coolers, our liquid-cooled model ensures silent operation that won't disrupt your gaming experience. Snowflake emoji, 4. Portable magnetic cooler, compatible with MagSafe, the cooler attaches and detaches effortlessly with its powerful magnetic force. Its compact size and lightweight design don't obstruct phone operation. The host unit is separated from the semiconductor heatsink, minimizing hand pressure. For non-magnetic devices, we provide a magnetic sheet and back clip. Snowflake emoji, 5. Package contents: 1 liquid cooling host, 1 semiconductor magnetic suction disc connected to the host, 1 48 watts power adapter, 1 special shaped heat conducting sheet, 1 circular magnetic suction sheet, 1 back clip, 1 cleaning ball. Unlike traditional fans, our device offers greater power and longer lasting cooling, hence requiring a household power supply. Please ensure the usage environment has access to power.